Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pointed gourd. First, select fresh, firm gourds, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Wash them thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Next, gently scrape the outer skin using a peeler or a small knife, then trim off both ends. Finally, slice the gourds into your preferred shapes, such as thin rounds or halves, preparing them for your delicious meal. To sauté pointed gourd, heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Introduce the prepared pointed gourd slices to the pan and sauté them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, until they become slightly tender and acquire a golden hue. Season with a pinch of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and a dash of chili powder for flavor. For a flavorful pointed gourd curry, begin by preparing a rich base gravy using finely chopped onions, ginger, garlic, and ripe tomatoes. Separately, sauté the pointed gourd pieces until they are lightly browned, which helps to seal in their texture. Then, carefully add these sautéed gourds to your simmering gravy. Allow the mixture to cook together for 10 to 15 minutes, letting all the wonderful flavors meld. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro before serving. Cooked pointed gourd dishes are best served hot, making a delightful accompaniment to steamed rice or warm flatbreads. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will remain fresh for up to 3 days. Pointed gourd is incredibly versatile and pairs wonderfully with ingredients like lentils, potatoes, or other seasonal vegetables. For an extra crispy texture, consider deep frying the gourd pieces before adding them to your main dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.